So this is another very nice design of our kitchen set. As usual, they have everything you can think of. Okay, there's everything here. But first of all, as usual, let's have a look at the product size. So this is the product measurement. The height is 100 cm. This is the product measurement. Okay, let's have a look at the product itself. Okay, first of all, let's turn this on. You realize that it's steaming up. Please, this is cold steam. It is very cold. It is not hot. Very, very cold. Okay. Okay. While that's cooking, you have a grill over here where you can pick. I'm using my left hand, so it's quite difficult, but you get what I'm saying. This is the grill. It has all the stuff over there. Okay? It has all the stuff over there. Okay, let's move on. This is the tap. You have a run back water system. Have a look at it. A run back water. So you can just wash your stuff over here. And then you press it and your water all comes up. Okay. Alright, let's turn this off and turn this off. And then have a look at here. And you turn this on. You press here. See, you have that sound there. You press here. You have multiple sounds as well. Okay. It has a clock over here. You have a mini fridge here where you have your ice cream and stuff. You have your ladles and your cutlery over here, nicely packed. You have your containers for your kitchen items, your ketchup, your salad, your orange juice, corn oil, peas, everything is here. You have a sandwich and a burger down here. You have 2 cups. These are actual cups. Okay, see, this is an actual cup. Okay, you have 2 cups. You have a kettle over here. Have you seen? Nicely like this. You have another burger. You have an egg. You have everything that you need. A chopping board. Everything is here. Okay. All right. Let's have a look at the down part. This is a fridge. You have some items in your fridge. You have an oven over here, which you can use as a storage. You have some other items here. Your grape juice and some other items over here. Okay. All right. So let's turn this on. Hey, I forgot. You have an egg frying. Yes, we have egg. So if we open this and we turn this on, this also works. You see? But the steam is only from one side. Okay, the steam only comes from one side. So let's turn this off. Cover our frying pan. Cover our frying pan, and then you see our steam is. Haha, this is beautiful. Okay, all right. See? This is the full setup. When you set it up, this is what you're supposed to get.